So this is how to make money on the ship. So if you are one of the people, you're looking for work on the ship and you want to increase some more money and make more income on the cruise ships, then follow Honest Digits. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that you can do to increase your income or to make more money on cruise ships. So today I'm inside this area. There's nobody around here, as you can see. This is our library. So it's a computer center. We have some computers here. Let me show you these ones. So it's a quiet area, and I decided let me come and do a video. I will be doing these videos in places where you can see how the ship is designed. So our culture and lifestyle on the ship is just like any other out there, but there are some tricks. Anyway, you can increase. How do you make money anyway? There are some few books here you can read. There are so many knowledge you can add yourself. If you feel you cannot go back to school, but you need to know it's your ship, so you have to read about the ship. You have to read about most of the discoveries in the world. Now listen, this is about adventure. Look at this one, the Atlas. It's called Lonely Planet, Atlas of Adventure. Anyway, name is nice. Talk about how cruise ships, talk about how you can get a job on cruise ship. I talk about cruise ship jobs and how to move abroad. And if you need any information about how to get, where to begin, this is the channel you are supposed to be watching right now. You are in the right direction. If it's your first time, ensure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Sharing is caring. I share with you these videos, and you share with your friends and family who wants to join this thing. So on the ship, people try to think, wherever there are people, there is money. That's the rule of money. Let me sit down. So wherever there is money, there are people, there is money. So people have devised how to make money more on cruise ship. And these are the things that people do on the ship to make more money. Ladies and gentlemen, as we speak about how to make money on the ship, remember, people are paid salaries here. People get money. So you can also think how to get money from these people. Okay? So if you need more money, then you can think about how to get money from these people who are paid money. So it's about a money game anyway. It's about money game. Now, working on a cruise ship, it can be a very great adventure. For sure, you learn a lot. You'll see how people work. You'll see how people engage, how people talk, how people make friends, and even make love, and also how the relationships come up. Okay? So this is one way. I'm going to mention a few, and if you know some from your ship or for your company, you can mention some. You can put them here. I have no issue. This is a freestyle. No? Now, we have people who sell these handmaids, and I tried this one myself. Those people who know the wristbands, which come from Kenya. So we buy those flag-made wristbands, and I came with them, my last contract, and I brought like a handful of them. It's something easy to carry in a luggage. It's not something like it's things which can bring any problem on the border or during the check-in and check-out in the airport. So I brought most of them. They are very small but very good, and something is at price. I sold them. I'm telling you, I made money. I made money from those things. So you can, if you are someone who is talented in art, craft, and everything, you can make those small things and sell to your colleagues. Things which are so unique from your country. Okay, you bring in and you sell. Crew members are so good; they will support you. So if you are a craftsman, then this is the best thing for you to do. Okay? Now, some crew members, they buy duty-free items in other shops outside there. Something that this is something that crew members can buy, and then you come and do sell. But with caution, you need to understand the rules and regulations of your company, the way you're traveling, and some of the things. You don't bring things which are not allowed on the ship. So always refer to the rules and regulations of the ship, so you can buy some stuff out there and come and sell. So you can offer services. We have those ones who offer services. Okay, Like for example, haircut, beauty services. Those people who do braids, the hairs for ladies, the hair. Ladies will not take care of their hair. They don't do it outside. They don't go to each port and look for the person who do them. We have talented experts here on the ship, crew members. They are waiters, they are broom divisions, they are housekeepers, they are utility. They do this job. Haircut is done. I cut my hair just recently. See, I paid money, so the barber got some $10. So that's how it is. You can also do tailoring and sewing. There is a tailor here on the ship. If you, sometimes they make money. There is fitness coaching. Okay, so these are people who are doing massage therapist, what those people who do fitness, gym. You can schedule a session with the crew members, and then they want to become fit. Okay, so health is important. There's no need for you to get more money and then at the end of it all you die. Be fit. Language lessons. Spaniola. You want to learn Spaniola. You want to learn how to say amigo, or say ¿cómo estás? How do you say in Germany? Guten Morgen. So photography. I saw one lady on our ship. She's doing photography. If you go out and you need photographs, nice photograph from those cities, you book a day. You are going out, and then she will accompany you with $100. She'll give you more photos, beautiful photos from places which you are in. She becomes a photographer of you the whole day. And then crew only side hustles. Now we have side hustles here whereby crew buy snacks and sell. They also buy laundry services. Those, like for example, we have people who are busy on the ship. They don't have that time to go to the laundry. So you take their laundry, clean their rooms, and then they pay you some amount of some amount of money. Besides gratuity and everything, services are there. So there is also gambling, SIM card, and SIM card assessment, laundry services. I'm talking about cleaning services, washing, what. If you are a housekeeper, you can go to the rooms and ask for a service. If someone is looking for someone who can clean, you do that, right? You get more money. Gambling, but be careful with the gambling because some refer to the rules and regulations. I caution. This is an caution. So stay aware of. Then there's freelance remote work, design, coding, writing. There is if Wi-Fi permits. Sometimes Wi-Fi does not permit you to do those heavy tasks on the ship, which do not support. Okay, so also because of social media cautions that we have, so you need to understand too that social media should be also done in that caution. So there's tutoring, there's consulting online field. There's participating in prizes, crew events. So many ships host crew talent shows, quizzes, competitions, and then you win money. Okay, I mean, like today our ship won one of the cup of the fleet, so we are going to have maybe free internet. They're going to give us nice food, they're going to give us some money maybe. You can also write books, write vlogs about the ship life, do vlogs like the one I'm doing. You can also check your contract. Some of the cruise ships are prohibit such things. Okay, so be careful, avoid conflicts of interest, and be discreet. Sometimes some hassles are not supposed to be just spoken anyhowly, because you never know. Why you think so? Yes, because we have some countries, of course you're going to say other different ones, they don't allow you to buy some stuff out to bring medicine. Like for example, in Mexico, you're not supposed to buy medicine on the counter unless you are prescribed by a physician. So be careful with that. And there is also services like if you want to book someone a visa or anything like those ones, they want to connect someone on the internet, they don't know, they're still new, they have to pay, they have to do some we have friends who do online studies, they do exams, so you can do the exams. Okay, there is one guy, this is very one guy was okay, I found out that crew members sometimes they fall in love, they do, and they need to, we are humans, okay, we are all mature people, so people fall in love, people want to enjoy themselves, have their own fun of together, together, female and male. So that moment must be protection. So sometimes cruise ship do not provide those protections. So someone was selling them protection, of sexual protection, gears. Let me use the word gears, condoms. So he was making money. So I don't know how he does it anyway. I cannot do such a business. So if someone was doing such a business, you can make more money. And if you know any of what cruise ships, how to make money on a cruise ship, and you have a crew member and you're looking for a job on a cruise ship and you're planning to come here, whenever you get that job, also think how to make more money, which department can offer you a job besides job, money into money business. Okay, so if you want to increase more income, and you get like a $25, each person, cleaning, just making, like helping someone to iron out, make his uniform clean, and that tomorrow in the morning you deliver to his room, he pays you. What about that? Are we here? Let me see. Have you subscribed? Then subscribe. This Ernest. See you and bye. We are still posting on so many jobs on cruise ships, so perhaps you might get one soon. So it's my time.